Hey y'all. So today we are going to be walking through how to make your My Life in Pictures snapshot. So what you are going to do is go to the assignment. Now, all of the instructions and step-by-step things are right here, but you don't have to worry about that. You can just listen to me. If you look through, you're going to you're just going to look through the slides and see which one you like best. So let's say I like this one best. So I am just going to go ahead and go to view, click view, zoom, and then I'm going to go to 100%. Now this allows you just to look and see things and type a little bit better. And the first thing that you're going to do is just click here. Now this part is super important. You're going to click replace image. You're going to put that and then you're going to either upload from computer or search the web. For my picture, because I do have my Bitmoji saved, I'm going to upload from computer and then I am going to pick Bitmoji. It's my face. Open. And there you go. Then you're going to go over here and type your name. I am Miss Leeper, obviously. And now while that looks wonderful, I want to bold it, make it a little bigger because y'all know I'm a little extra. Okay, so there are two different ways that you can pick your pictures. One way is to go ahead and click this box. You always want to click replace image. You can search the web. So for example, for this one, I am going to search sushi because I love sushi. I'm going to click the picture and then you see this button at the bottom says replace. Click replace and then the picture is going to pop up. You are going to then click the box with your hashtag. I'm going to put sushi is life because it is awesome. And then the other thing that you can do is if you click, you can go ahead and replace image one more time. Don't forget you always replace image. And then I saved a picture of my daughter and it says Mom Life. And you see it came kind of weird. I'm just going to right click. I am going to rotate it. And now it is right side up. And I am going to put my hashtag Mom Life. I am going to do that exact same thing for all 8 of my pictures. So I have 6 more that I will really have to think about. What do I love? What type of hashtags? They must be school appropriate, obviously. And then once you do that, you are going to just click the pictures that you did not like. And you're going to just delete those slides. Make sure you do not delete the slide that you did for yourself because that wouldn't be good. Then you wouldn't have anything to turn in. And as you can see, this is my finished product. Once you are done, you will go to Google and follow those directions to turn it in. Have a good day, y'all.